changed my life, yeah. So we're hanging out, we get in the word, we say crazy stuff. You might find it absurd, you know nothing though. You gotta change your heart, you get a mean man, and now I got a fart. Hold up. I'm back though. Sorry about my tummy ache. I thought it was a fart, but that was a mistake. It's really you, and so I got to run. I'm about to do my friend James just to have some fun.
Yo, Jesus Christ is the life. He got to lead your whole family. Ain't that crazy? We're anywhere with your blind. He makes you see. Yo, Jesus Christ is like a common denominator. He's like that guy in the Terminator. He says, hey, you want to come with me? I give you life to make it right. And I'm like, okay, Jesus Christ, here I am. So what do I do to understand and be a godly man? Yo, check it. If you want to be with me, you got to see the things that I see. Okay, what is that? He says, I'll break your heart just like that. Yo, give it to my boy Noah,
Stand aside, cannot be in your vicinity. Busted so heavily, check me out, I do my thing. I spit this rhyme so eloquently, so check me. My name is Noah, why only? Hey yo, I like this. I bust it like I hit you in the face and leave you fat lips. My name is Noah, you never heard my name and I be busting it sick like this ain't a game show. I bring it back so steadily, so check my flow. I bust this rhyme like you never even heard it, yo. So check my style and I got my two homies with me. We bustin' ciphers every night, so get me.
Yo, we hit stuff like dubstep, going up here, coming strong like your neck. Yeah, fuck it, you think, Bubba, you're so strong, man, we wanna hug on each other. We're just talking about hanging out and having a good time. Yeah, we get together, linked up, and we might rhyme. We do one thing, I know this will suck. The one thing I know for sure is God is love.